Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the newly launched neckband from Noise, and they are the Noise Flare, which is the first ever touch-enabled neckband in India. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how they perform. So here is the box of the Noise Flare. In the front of the box we have the Noise branding along with the picture of the neckband, and they are the Noise Flare. And here at this side, we can see they are designed in India. At the back we have some key features of this neckband. And here we can see it's the carbon black variant. Apart from that, it's available in the forest green, stone blue and mist grey color. Now about the features, this neckband is powered by Qualcomm. You get the ultra fast USB Type-C charging, multi-function touch controls, dual mic for calling. You get the low latency in this neckband, 35 hours of playback time, call vibration alert, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The MRP of this neckband is 3,999. However, it's available to purchase right now at introductory price of Rs 1,799. Now let's open the box and show you the content. And guys, I must say that the packaging of this neckband feels really premium. And here we can see the tagline, "Listen to the voice within." And below it, we have this envelope, and inside it, we have the welcome card and the user guide. And in this, you can see the different touch controls for this neckband. And then we have the neckband itself. You also get this mini box in which we have the ear hooks and the ear tips of different sizes. And then here we have the Type-C charging cable. Now let's look at the neckband. So here we have the Noise Flare neckband. And guys, this neckband comes with the magnetic earbud. And right now there is a sticker on it. So let's remove it. Now looking at the quality and design, I find the quality of this neckband as well as the earbuds very good. The cable from the neckband to the earbuds also feels strong. Now looking at the earbuds, as mentioned earlier, we have the magnetic earbuds in this neckband and you get the in-ear style design with the ear hooks. The driver of the earbud is 10mm and they're also powered by Qualcomm. Now looking at the neckband, you get a neat and clean design and you only get a LED light here. And here we have the Type-C charging port. At the edge of the neckband, you have a multifunctional touch-sensitive area, and with this, you can perform various functions, which I will show you in a moment. So in terms of the other specifications, you get the Bluetooth 5.0, and this neckband supports dual pairing. Overall in terms of design and quality, I find the quality of this neckband very good, and keeping in mind its pricing, I'm really happy with the quality and the design of this neckband. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So as soon as you deattach the magnetic earbud, the neckband turns on and it's ready to pair. And here we have the neckband in our available Bluetooth device list. So the neckband is paired with our phone. Now first let me show you the neckband Bluetooth settings. And here you can see it supports the HD AAC codec. Now before we talk about the sound quality, let me show you different touch controls. So a single tap on the touch sensitive panel pauses and play the music. Double tap will take you to the next song and triple tap will take you back to the previous song. Long press on the touch sensitive panel for 2 seconds will call Google Assistant or Siri. And guys, just to let you know, you don't get the volume controls in this neckband. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. So as you guys know, I always change the ear tip to the large size, and with this, I got the perfect passive noise cancellation in this neckband. The ear hooks even though gives you a perfect fit, but I prefer to use it without the ear hooks. Now about the sound quality, the first thing I noticed was the bassy sound output from the neckband. You get a good bass from this neckband, and the highs and mids are also very clear, which means vocals are clear and the instrument separation is also very good. They're also loud, and as mentioned earlier, the earbuds are also comfortable, and due to that, I was able to watch movies and videos for long hours without any discomfort. And one more thing, there is no sound lag while watching videos. So for movies and music, I can definitely recommend you this neckband. Now about the gaming, there is definitely some lag in this neckband, and when we did the latency test, it was around 150 milliseconds, which is good enough for videos, but not for games such as Call of Duty and PUBG. Now talking about the voice clarity for calls, you get the dual mic in this neckband, which offers ENC, and during our testing, we found the mic clarity was also very good. So for voice and video calls, the Noise Flare performs very good. And how can we forget the vibration alert for calls, which is for sure an advantage. Now lastly about the battery, You get the fast charging, which can offer you 8 hours of playback time with just 8 minutes of charge. In terms of the battery backup, you get 35 hours of battery backup at 70% volume, which is pretty decent. So to sum it up, the Noise Flare neckband offers good quality and design. The in-ear style magnetic earbuds are very comfortable and offer perfect fit. The sound output is good, and if you like the bassy sound, you will love the sound output of this neckband. This neckband is the India's first touch-enabled neckband, and about the performance, the touch is very responsive. So if you're in the market for a good quality neckband with decent sound output and bass, then the Noise Flare is a very good option. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Flare neckband. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this neckband, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.